Hello.
Hello, Monkey.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Sorry I was late because I ate my dinner.
What?
I was late because I ate my dinner.
Why you have dinner?
How about you? Did you eat already?
Not. I eaten from 6 7 p.m.
What did you eat?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Oh, wait. I will just open a new lesson, okay?
Okay. Have review.
Okay, here. Hi, Strawberry.
This lesson but this lesson we now.
Are we finished with this one, Monkey? Are we finished?
Yes.
No, we're not yet finished with this one.
But we skip this one to have sometimes to go some more lesson.
We're finished with this one?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Because I forgot. I will check my notebook. Okay. Wait for me. I will open one more. So how are you, Monkey, today? Can you tell me a story about your day?
I'm fine.
That's good. And then, what did you do in school?
They play Among Us with friends.
You play with your friends?
Yes.
Very good. What game did you play?
Among Us.
What's that?
Okay, let me write for you. But
Okay.
where's the what?
Oh, wait. Because I'm still opening your lesson. Wait for me. Reading. Okay, so tonight we're having reading activity. Okay, let's just wait because the internet is not good. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so Monkey, can you sing a song, please?
What song?
It's up to you. What song do you like?
I don't know.
What's your favorite song, Monkey?
I will write a game.
You will write a game? What game?
Okay.
Okay, here. Wait a minute. It's still opening now. Okay, here. I will click it now. Are you still there, Monkey? Because I cannot see you.
Here. I mean, I will just go to see the game.
Okay. Here. I was able to open your new lesson for tonight. Here. Reading.
You can look my game.
Wait, I cannot see your camera. Wait for teacher. Faster.
you see me now?
Not yet. Okay, it's 99%. Okay, it's opening.
What? 99?
Yeah, 99%.
Why is that low?
I see you now.
Okay, do you see my new game?
What is that? Can I see it?
Okay.
Show me. Oh, where is it? Can I see it? Did you write it? May I see?
Yes, one. Yeah.
Where? Where is it? Show me.
Here. You can see me.
Yeah, I can see you, but where's your game that you're saying?
Oh,
Huh? You're saying that you have a game.
yes. Okay.
Oh, where? Where is it?
Why you cannot see my game?
Yeah, I cannot see your game. Okay, well, anyway, Monkey. Next time, let's wait, show me, show me, show me.
So that
What's that paper?
the paper is has the game.
Show it to the camera so I can see it.
What?
Show it to the camera so that I can see it.
You
put-
see.
You put the paper in front of the camera. Put it up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. One more, you up. You put it up.
Okay.
I cannot see it.
What?
I can.
I don't
What's
don't know.
that? I cannot see it. So now let's begin, Monkey. So we are going to have reading and writing activity. Okay. So Monkey, we have an example right here. It says here, look and read, choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There's one example. Okay, so Monkey, you can see one example here. People go to this place to drink, eat, and talk to their friends. So the answer is cafe. All right, number one, Monkey, read and answer.
Okay.
Read and answer number one.
You wash your baby and your hair in this shower.
Okay, a shower is correct. Number two.
You sit and eat field or on the beach for this. A picnic.
A picnic. Okay, next one.
You can buy fruits and clothes there. A market.
A market. Very good. Next.
You can go up or down between four in this. A lift.
A lift. Good job. Next.
Apples, bananas, lettuce, and orange are examples for these fruits.
Fruits. Okay, last one.
You can read books here or take them to home to read. A library.
Okay, very good. The library is correct. So very good, Monkey, because you got a perfect score of, how many is this? I cannot see it. Oh, 6. Okay, so you got 6 points. So here, Monkey,
Okay.
part 2. Look and read, write yes or no. So this is an example. A pirate is sitting on a box. So the answer is yes. Next one. There are 6 hippos in the picture. Answer is no. Okay, number 1, Monkey. Answer. Read and answer.
The girls are playing on a game on the badmintons. No.
Okay, no, very good. Next.
There's green and yellow parrots on the boy's shoulder. No.
No. Number 3.
A big brown monkey is climbing on a mountain. No.
No. Okay, next.
A woman with red skirt has got a bowl of pineapples. Yes.
Yes.
There are big stick in the tree above the crocodile. Where's the crocodile? This on top is a ball. No.
Okay, very good. No. Next one, number 6.
A man and a woman are crossing the river in boats. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. No, no, no. Yes, no, yes. Okay, 6 points for you, Monkey. Next one. So here, read the text and choose the best answer.
Okay.
Example. Hello, Jane. Answer is hello, Nick. All right. So number 1, I will read the first line and then you're going to answer. Okay, Monkey? Now let's start. Where did you go at the weekend?
Jane. A. I go to see Kim in her new house. B. I went to see Kim in her new house. C. I can see Kim in her new house.
So what do you think is the answer?
C.
Are you sure?
No, I went to see Kim in her new house.
So what do you think? Letter?
B.
Okay, good job, Monkey. It's letter B. I went to see Kim in her new house.
Does,
Number 2, where does she live now?
where does she live? In your house. No, in the village.
Very good. In a village. Number 3, does she like her new home?
Does she like? Yes, she does.
Okay, yes, she does. Number 4, how's her brother Ben?
He's fine.
He's fine. Number 5, what did you do with Kim on Saturday?
She went fishing with you.
Letter C, we swam in the sea. Great. Can I go with you to see Kim and Ben one day?
Yes. Okay. No. Okay.
What?
Okay.
Okay, very good, Monkey. So you got the score of 5 points because you got one mistake here. All right, so now this is very easy, okay? Read the story and choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 6. There's one example. Okay, now Monkey, can you read the story and then choose your answer from the pictures. So let's begin.
But can you read the story?
You want me to read the story?
Yes.
Okay.
I read all the story in yes.
So you want me to read this one, Monkey?
Yes.
Okay. Sally and her family lived on a farm. They had a lot of animal sheep, cows, goats, chickens, and horses. Every morning before school, Sally went to see her gray horse, Cloud. She gave Turn some
Carrots.
Again, she gave Turn some
Carrots. Carrots.
some carrots to eat for his breakfast and talk to him. Then she said goodbye. But last Friday, she didn't blank.
Close.
She didn't close Cloud's door carefully when she went to see
What?
him.
What?
That's correct.
What?
Okay. Close is the answer.
But why he's here?
I don't know. Maybe it's just misplaced. But anyway, that's still correct. Okay, let's continue.
Sally went to school in Dad's car. In class that morning, the teacher drew a horse on the board. Now you draw one, he says. Sally started to draw Cloud. Then she looked out of the window. There was Cloud. Children, said the teacher. The horse in the playground. You can draw it. That's my heart. Sally, the children laughed after class. Sally wrote home on Cloud.
Okay, rode home on Cloud. Good job, Monkey. How many points is that? 6 points. Great. Next one. What do you think is the title of the story?
Cloud goes to school.
Okay, Cloud goes to school. Very good. So you got 7 points now. Yes. The next one. So here, it says here, look at the picture and read the story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Okay, now Monkey, you want me to read it or you want to read it for yourself? What? You want me to read it?
Yes.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay, my turn. Jim's birthday.
No. No, my turn.
Your turn. Okay.
On Sunday, she went to the mountains with his parents. In her afternoon, it snowed at home that evening. Jim was very well. He got a temperature. Jim wanted his mom said, have some soup and then go to bed. But he didn't want any soup. He was hungry.
Okay, so here are the examples. Jim and his parents went to the mountains on Sunday. On Sunday afternoon, it snowed. Okay, let's go to the next page. All right, so question number 1, Monkey. Jim had a blank on Sunday evening.
He has a temperature.
Very good. Temperature. Number 2. Jim didn't have blank because he wasn't hungry. Soup. Okay, 2 points. All right, continue reading, Monkey.
Okay. Jim went at night, but he was better in the morning. He didn't go to school that day. He was too ill and he felt all day. He got up in the evening and watched television. His mom gave him some chicken and rice, but he was hungry. He only ate corn rice and drank some milk. He went to bed, but he was tired. He didn't sleep very well. Woke up in the night and read his book.
Okay, so number 3, in the morning, blank wasn't better.
Jim was buried. Jim.
Okay, Jim, number 4. Jim couldn't go to blank that day because he was too ill.
School. School.
School. Okay, next one. The only thing that Jim ate was?
Orange corn rice.
Okay, some rice. Yes, next one. When Jim woke up that night, he blank.
He read book.
He
Read his book.
Okay, he read. Very good. Okay, continue reading.
Hey. Why did you go to give me a score?
Yeah, because everything is correct. So later after this one, I will give you a score. Next one.
In the morning, Jim was sad. Today's my birthday, he thought, but I can go to school and see my friends. But Jim's mom and dad gave him a great present, a new computer. He was very happy because he loved computer games. Some of his friends from school came to see him. Happy birthday, he said. This is for you too. It was Tim's favorite TV. On Wednesday, he went back to school because he was better again.
Okay, so number 7. Jim's parents gave him a blank for his birthday.
A new computer.
A new computer. Number 8. Some of Jim's blank went to see him.
Friends at school.
All right, friends. Next one. Jim's second present was?
DVD.
DVD. Next.
DVD.
Jim went back to school on blank when he was better.
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday, right? Very good. Yeah, you got the highest score. It's 10 points. All right, good job, Monkey. So here, let's have this next one. Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. All right. So do you want me to read it?
No, you read. Now you turn.
Oh yeah, teacher's turn now. Example, there are a lot of different kinds of sport. For example, there are ball games. In football, you blank to kick the ball. What is this monkey? You have to kick the ball, but in tennis, you hit it. And in basketball, you throw and bounce it. Some people blank water sports.
Play water sports.
Some people
play.
Enjoy. Okay, it can also be play. Some people play water sports or some people enjoy water sports. For example, they like They like swimming.
And sailing a boat.
Okay, good. Or and, that's correct. Next, in some sports, you run and jump, but in some, like fishing, you blank move a lot.
You know.
You blank move a lot.
You fish move.
You fish move? No.
Move. You
Can. Again, you
can move a lot.
You don't or can. Okay, that's correct. You can't move a lot or you don't move a lot. Most children do sport at school and it is very blank for you.
Not for you.
It's very... What is this? It's very...
Good.
Good for you. All right. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5 points only because number 1 is example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job, Monkey. So we're finished with the reading part. So now let's see what we have next.
Still.
Wait. Let's open it. Okay, here.
Wait for me. I go to bring
Okay.
up.
Where are you going? Okay. So let's begin our second activity. Okay, here. So now we are going to have speaking skill. Yeah, okay. So now, Monkey, find the difference between the two pictures.
There's an airplane fly on the sky, but the airplane was in half. There are 2 boats, but there are 3 boats. The girl is standing, but the girl is running. The boy is walking, but the boy is running. The house is red, but the house is blue. Finish.
That's all?
Yes.
Maybe you can see more.
Where?
Again. Tell your answers. It must be 5. Number 1, what's your number 1 answer?
There's a red house, but there's a blue house.
Okay, next.
The airplane hasn't got in picture 1, but the picture 2 has.
Okay, number 3.
The boy is running, but the boy is walking.
Okay, correct. 4.
Girl is walking, standing, and the girl is running.
Are you sure?
Don't know.
Oh, look, who's holding the kite? Look at the person who's holding a kite.
The boy is holding a kite, but the girl is holding a kite. That's all.
Okay, last one. What is the last one?
I know it's all.
There's one more. It's very obvious. You can see it in the picture. Last one.
It's so difficult.
Look at the water, monkey.
But what? I hear them.
Oh, so what is your answer? Look at the water.
What?
Look at the water. How many boats does it has?
But I'm counting.
No, you haven't said that. That is the last one, okay? Can you say it?
No, I'm saying it.
Did you say it?
Yes.
Oh, but I didn't hear it.
Because my mouth, I have a bathrobe.
You have a
Bathrobe.
bad throat.
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, monkey, you got 5 points. Okay, so let's see. Let's check the answers here. Okay, this house is red, but this house is blue. Plane and no plane, boy and a girl, 2 and 3 boats, and then the man walking and running. Very good. So you have said everything of this. Okay, next one, monkey. Make a story about the 4 pictures that you see on the screen. What can you say? Yeah, you have to make a story.
I will change the name for the girl.
Okay, it's all right.
What is the name for the girl?
What do you name? What do you like? What name do you like for the girl?
Okay, start. Kim was brush her teeth. Then he downstairs. Then he upstairs. Then he's downstairs to buy the cat. I will buy the cat for the name. Call Jane. Call Jack the cat. So Jack the cat, he brushed again her teeth. Jack is on her head now. And Jack's scared because he saw a mouse. Okay, you can.
That's all?
You can give now you turn.
Okay, but is that your answer? Are you finished with your answer?
But I'm finished, but you have some more names for this girl. Okay,
Yeah.
you turn.
Okay, but are you finished answering now your story?
Yes.
Okay, so here, let's see. Okay, so you are correct, Monkey. Your story is very good because you are able to tell the story about the girl and her cat. Okay, so in this one, I will give you 5 points. So here, Monkey, let's talk about your family. Who live in your house, Monkey?
Dad, my mom, and my baby.
All right, so it means how many persons are you in the house?
What?
How many persons lives in your house?
Only 3.
Are you sure 3?
What's that?
Are
What
you
is
sure? Person
Only one.
means, yeah, person means people. So how many people does your house have?
Only 1.
Only one? I thought there's mom, there's dad, there's Strawberry, and you.
But we have some more person.
Oh, really? Who?
I don't know this name.
Who? Who's that?
I don't know. I don't
Ah.
know.
Okay, but is that your grandmother, your grandfather?
No.
No. Okay. So who is the youngest in your family, Monkey?
Youngest.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My.
Who? Who is the youngest?
Who is the youngest in your family, Ma? My baby is the my baby is the my youngest,
Okay,
in the youngest in the family.
Okay, that is correct. Your baby is the youngest in your family. Okay, next one, Monkey. What do you do with your family on holidays?
I'm yeah. I'm go to the park or beach for some example.
Okay, you go to the park or sometimes you go to the beach, right?
Right?
Okay, very good. Tell me something about your father. Tell me something about your father.
And mother.
Yeah, you start.
Okay, it's hard. I know you can skip this.
Why?
Because I don't know.
You don't know? Well, you just have to say something. Example, my mother's name is, and then she works in, her favorite color is, she likes cooking, or something like that. Let's
My
try.
mom is cow. My mom work in the school. My mom likes cooking or something else. This is my new bedroom.
That is your new bedroom.
you know it's beautiful with
Yeah.
lots of fruit.
Yeah, who made that?
My mom and I.
Wow,
and baby.
that looks beautiful because you got a lot of stickers there. Is that stickers?
Yes.
Okay. So now, Monkey, tell me something about your father.
Father.
Mm-hmm.
My father is Vian.
Again?
Works.
What's his name?
My father is Vian. He works with my aunt in Vin.
Mm-hmm. So is he a teacher too?
No.
So what's his work?
He works in Vin and he works.
Again? Again, can you say it one more time? Okay, so how about your baby? Tell me something about your baby.
My baby name is Strawberry. He's so naughty and she's so naughty.
She's
She
so
don't
naughty.
like share with me.
She's so naughty.
He not share with me. He doesn't want to play with me. And what's next? She and she eat all the pieces of candy. All.
She likes eating all the pieces of candy. Okay, that's good, Monkey. So now, Monkey, look at here. It says here, find the different ones. So in the first line, Monkey, which one here is different?
Book.
Okay, a book. Why a book?
Because he's not a fruit.
Okay, good job.
It's not a fruit.
It's not a fruit. How about the second line?
Four.
What? Picture?
4.
Okay, very good. Why picture 4?
Because this is don't have chair.
Yeah, it doesn't have a chair. And then how about on the next one?
3 picture.
Okay, why is this your answer?
Because this is open.
Okay, because it is open. And last one.
What's that in picture 2?
Picture? No, it's picture 4. Oh, why do you think picture 4?
What? I don't know.
Oh, you look, you observe. Why do you think?
I know what is eating.
Okay, very good. Because picture 1, 2, and 3, they are eating. And then picture 4, she is cooking. All right. So you got 3 points for this one, Monkey.
Okay.
Because you are wrong in the number 4. All right, good job, Monkey. So let's continue again on Monday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you.